Hello friends, today we will discuss multiple choice questions on childhood and growing up. Four different competitive examinations of teaching, CTET, tested, JTET, and all that. Childhood and growing up is very important and covers so many questions. So first question is, childhood is considered the period between birth to 5 years, B 6 to 12 years, C 12 to 18 years, D 18 to 25 years. Answer is B 6 to 12 years. This period is known as middle childhood when child starts formal education, develops social skills and becomes more independent. For example, child learning teamwork in school during class projects. Question number 2. The term adolescence refers to A period of rapid physical and emotional growth, B period of declining energy, C period of infancy, D period of retirement. Answer is A period of rapid physical and emotional growth. Adolescence 12 to 18 years is marked by puberty, hormonal changes, and identity formation. Teenagers showing interest in peer approval and self image at this period. Question number 3. According to Piaget, concrete operational stage occurs between A 0 to 2 years, B 2 to 7 years, C 7 to 11 years, D 11 to 15 years. Answer is C 7 to 11 years. At this age, children develop logical thinking, but only for concrete objects. The child can understand that quantity of water remains same if poured to different shaped glass. Question number 4. Which of the following is a key characteristic of adolescence? A. Egocentrism. B. Object permanence. C. Reflex actions. D. Assimilation. Answer is A. Egocentrism. Adolescents often believe that others are focused on them as they are on themselves. Imaginary audience concept. Example, a teen feels embarrassed thinking everyone noticed their new haircut. Question number 5. The first stage of Erik Erikson's psychological theory. So, psychosocial theory is autonomy versus B, trust versus mistrust, C, initiative versus guilt, D, identity versus role confusion. Answer is B, trust versus mistrust. In infancy, 0 to 1 years, developing trust through consistent caregiving forms the basis of secure attachment. A baby feels safe when parents respond to crying. Question number 6. According to Kohlberg, moral development in children begins at conventional stage B, conventional stage, C, pre-conventional stage, D, moral relativism stage. Answer is pre-conventional stage. Children make moral decisions based on rewards and punishments. For example, a child obeys to avoid punishments. Question number 7. Learning by observing and imitating others is known as conditioning. B. Imitating learning. C. Observational learning. D. Insight learning. Answer is C. Observational learning. Proposed by Albert Bandura, this emphasizes the role of models in learning. A child learns polite speech by observing parents or watching parents. Question number 8. Play in childhood helps in A. Only physical development, B. Only mental growth, C. Holistic development, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Holistic development. Play enhances physical, social, emotional, and cognitive abilities. Group games develop teamwork and empathy. Question number 9. During early childhood, a child mainly learns through A. Abstract reasoning, B. Direct experience and imitation, C. Logical deduction, D. Reflection. Answer is B. Direct experience and imitation. Children at this stage learn through hands on activities and imitation of adults. For example, a child imitates cooking while playing with toy utensils. Question number 10. Adolescents experience identity crisis according to A. Jean Piaget, B. Erik Erikson, C. Sigmund Freud, D. Lev Vygotsky. Answer is B. Erik Erikson. In Erikson's stage of identity versus role confusion, teens explore their personal identity, a student deciding on a career or life goal. Question number 11. The process of adjusting old schemas and creating new one is called A. Assimilation, B. Equilibration, C. Accommodation, D. Integration. Answer is C. Accommodation. Children modify their understanding when faced with new experiences. For example, learning that not all four-legged animals are dogs. Question number 12. Puberty refers to a cognitive change, B. Emotional maturity, C. Physical and hormonal change, D. Social adjustment. Answer is physical and hormonal change. It makes the beginning of sexual maturity and physical transformation. For example, growth of facial hair or voice change in boys. Question number 13. According to Vygotsky, the zone of proximal development (ZPD) means a task a learner can do independently, B. Task too difficult to achieve, C. Task achievable with guidance, D. Task done by repetition. Answer is C. Task achievable with guidance. Vygotsky emphasized social interaction and scaffolding in learning. A child solving math problems with teachers' hints. Question number 14. Emotional development during childhood depends on A. Heredity only, B. Environment only, C. Both heredity and environment, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Both heredity and environment. Emotional growth results from genetic development and family environment. Supportive parents help children express emotions healthily. Question number 15. Socialization begins A in school, B at birth, C in adolescence, D in adulthood. Answer is at birth. Socialization starts as infants interact with caregivers and surroundings. For example, a baby smiling in response to a mother's voice. Question number 16. Adolescents seek independence because of A. Parental pressure, B. Cognitive maturity and self awareness, C. Lack of control, D. None of these. Answer is B. Cognitive maturity and self awareness. Growing reasoning and powers and self concept push adolescents towards autonomy. Teenagers wanting to make their own decisions. Question number 17. Which of the following best supports inclusive education? A. Segregated classrooms, B. Individualized education for all learners, common curriculum without flexibility, strict discipline. B is individualized education for all learners. Inclusive education values diversity and equal learning opportunities, adjusting lesson plans for children with learning disabilities. Question number 18. Cognitive development refers to a physical growth, B. Emotional balance, C. Development of thinking and reasoning, D. Social relationship. Answer is C. Development of thinking and reasoning. Cognitive skills help in problem solving, logic, and understanding. A child solving puzzles demonstrates cognitive growth. Question number 19. Which of the following is a primary agent of socialization? A. Media, B. Family, C. School, D. Friends. Answer is B. Family. Family shapes the earliest social and moral values of a child, learning manners from parents at home. Question number 20. The role of a teacher in child development is to A. Impose discipline, B. Act as a facilitator and guide, C. Focus only on academics, D. Punish mistakes. B. Answer is B. Act as a facilitator and guide. Teachers nurture curiosity, creativity, and social emotional development, encouraging group discussion and problem based learning. So that's all. Thank you.